Basic science is the foundation of all we do. I think we would be bereft of innovation if we didn't have new ideas coming from the laboratory.
Any medicine that is a huge advance for human health, that medicine 100% of the time you can trace to basic science. So the basic scientists are the people who are figuring out how the world works, how your body works. And without this knowledge, there's nothing.
Basic science has been foundational for how we understand fundamental biological processes, and certainly tumor initiation and progression, evasion of therapy. All of this comes from work at the bench side, where we start to tease apart those mechanisms, often in simpler systems, and then can really ask the question, how does this relate to what we observe in patients?
Most of the basic scientists I know want to do science that will have an impact on patient care. Stanford has it all. It has the basic science, the clinical expertise, and now what we're adding to that is a very strong translational focus, bringing new treatments to bedside, but also studying the patients that we're treating and going back to the scientists to make the therapies work better.
The Stanford Cancer Institute is very closely connected to the clinic and also to the basic sciences. So I think we have really a unique opportunity to bring these sites together. I think it's really important to have female role models, and at every level of the career. I think getting women into leadership positions is probably a key that could help.
I feel like there's so many opportunities now. I'm personally a big advocate for women that are training in the computational fields. I think historically it's been not so enriched on that side, and I think that's changing. We're seeing more and more computational scientists who are also females, and it's great. I think that I have the best job in the world, and I get to work with incredibly intelligent and passionate people every day. And it's a hard job because it never ends. You're always curious about the next thing, but it is so rewarding.
When you bring together people from very diverse backgrounds who have different perspectives and ways of thinking and different expertise, it's an organic way of creating a new idea. And I think it's important for women to enter any field of interest to them, because women are 50% of the human population, so they're 50% of the talent pool. And improving human health is one of the great challenges of our time. And we need all the talent that we can get to take on such a difficult challenge as understanding human biology and finding ways to intervene when there are problems. So if we want talent, we need women. It's just that simple.